ruining it. Damn it, she keeps fucking calling.
Dude, that's awesome. Whoa! Wow. That's impressive. There's some big fucking bolts there. Wow. Whoa! I got that one. I came like out here. Wow. The thunderstorm is coming! Holy shit. There's some big fucking just be patient, there's more coming, like that. Fuck her. I wonder what's the maximum time you can use. I'll go another minute. Whoa. Weather Warriors at weather.com. Ooh, thunder. Come on, another big flash. Do it for me. Ooh, that was good. Wow. That's some cool shit right there. Alright. Whoa! Wow. I got that one good.
Again. I got like 10 videos on here separate.
They're all separate. It's fucked up that it makes you start over every time that happens. What, rain?
Heavy rain. The lightning just lit up. I seen a downpour coming. Look.
Where?
Above that house over there.
Oh, shit.
There's lightning like the sky. Let's see it. Major downpour.
Whoa!
Oh, see that downpour going?
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, the rain's coming a little bit now. I know, so do I.
Fuck. I could have made it. I didn't video record it.
It's worth it, though. Woo! shit. That's a major cloud. That's a that's a major cloud to ground lightning. There is what I meant to say. Woo! Man, it's streaking across the sky. I can hear the cows. The cows know something's coming. Come on, give me something here. No, give me something good here. Come on. One more bolt. Oh. Whoa! Like that. How much time do you think these things can record for?
Holy again. What the fuck, man? Pissing me off. I'm done recording. I got enough good video that doesn't matter.
Alright, 20 more seconds here. Let me get one more good flash. Just one more good flash. Yeah. Oh shit. Alright. 10 more seconds. I promise. Come on, one more. Alright. Man, it's a big storm coming. August. Whoa! Okay, that's it. Signing out, August 12th, 2009. It's coming.